super excited.
Dude, you're not gonna be disappointed.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
It's pretty awesome.
This thing is beautiful.
Pretty neat, you'll think this. You're filming. How cool is that?
Wow. This screen is just amazing.
And the flanger of the car is just beautiful as well.
Wow, these seats are super comfortable.
Alright, so we are gonna go 0 to 70.
Okay.
Thereabouts. We'll go a little faster. Don't tell on me.
Sure.
We'll go a little faster than that. And
Okay.
in so doing, we're going to get to 60 in less than 2 seconds,
Wow.
which is hard to believe. And I'm telling you, I know that you heard Elon say that. You saw it on the screen.
Right.
Feeling it is a whole other thing. You're going to be blown away here.
0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. I'm ready.
And that figure's conservative.
That's
About
awesome.
faster than that.
Woo.
All right. So screen is right in front of you. This screen will go plaid when we go plaid mode.
Okay.
All right, ready? Head up against head restraint.
Yes,
3,
sir.
2, 1.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my God.
Like that. That was it.
That was like a roller coaster. Oh my God, the G-forces. That is incredible.